Whoa. Okay, let me see. Do another one. Oh, almost. Standing in a basket. Oh, almost. I gotta stand in the basket and flip it into the corner. Oh! All right, pretty good. Under the sink flipping.
Where's the soap?
There's a bar of soap right there. Keep going. Oh, into the corner. See if we get 2 in a row. We won't tell the plumber. Oh.
Tell the plumber.
See, go for 3. Go for 3.
Tell the plumber.
All right, we'll tell the plumber. Pipes are busted. Do the bottle flipping. All right, that's good. Oh! Landed in the chair. You landed in the chair. Oh! Oh! Wow!
Do it with this one. You limited it with this one first try.
Oh, he capped it. See if we can do it again. 2 in a row. Try to get 2 in a row. 2 in a row. See if we can do it. Nope.
Timmy did 2 in a row?
No, he did. He was trying to 2 in a row.
I can do 2 in a row.
Alright, let me see.
Not caps.
Yeah. I did 3 in a row. Yeah. Yes,
Your friend
Hey,
talks over there.
Maddux, keep going. Maddux, do another one.
Yeah, they did it over there.
Maddux, do another one. No, 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 no. No. Not up there. Come on, I wanted to get you on video because you made it. Oh my gosh, you got another one.
I see.
Go get, what do you, Maddux, I want to get some of you doing it. Go get your bottle.
Go. Oh!
Oh, on the chair. First try. Unbelievable. Let's see if we get 2 in a row. You want to try for 2 in a row? All right, let's try. From the top bunk. All right, let's try for 3 in a row. All right, 3 in a row. You think you can get 3 in a row from the top bunk onto the chair? Oh, that's okay. 2 in a row. That's pretty good. Oh, you got one. Top of the chair. Okay, try one more time. I think this is gonna work. Okay. Okay. Top of the frit. Oh, you got it sideways. All right. See if you can land it like that. Okay, that's the goal. See if you can do it. Top of the fridge. Don't tell Mom. Oh! You got it! Oh my God! Unbelievable! He's clapping for himself. He's clapping. Wow! It's not gonna work, dude. No, it's gonna roll off. See, yeah, that's a bad idea. Okay, go. Nope. Go. Oh, okay. That was good. All right, try again. There it goes. Nope.
2.5.
There it is. It's not too high.
Yes, it is.
Okay, just let me see if I can get him to land it. Nope. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.